Awards of Recognition to Deserving Community Leaders in the year 2003. FYSS is also the very first association to initiate our own website. And also in YouTube started 3 years ago. Forever Young is the first senior organization who took the initiative for an out-of-town social activity, such as the Las Vegas tours done in the years 2004, 2005, and 2006. Then followed an Alaska cruise in the year 2008. Forever Young is a fun-loving senior society that initiated several themes aligned to our social activities. We have the Black and White Affair every January. The St. Patrick's all wears green during March. And the Mardi Gras in April, and the noted International Costume Contest. We initiated the Appreciation Day in conjunction with our June Affair to commemorate our Filipino independence. All of these activities were geared because the people behind Forever Young has just one goal, and that is to have fun and feeling young. We are always flattered when we hear new attendees ask questions like this. Because we are all forever young in mind and in spirit. Your support is always appreciated forever, and through your kind patronage, Forever Young will forever stay. Thank you all, forever friends. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
Okay. Now, let us call our FYSS leader for special remarks on this special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Romy Mercado. Please give him a big...
Doon lang natama si Bunga. Yung pasakali ni Bung, maganda. Kumusta na po kayong lahat? Okay ba? Yan ang gusto ko sa inyo. Basta't magpapasko, masaya tayong lahat, di ba? At bago po ang lahat, magka-countdown tayo. Sindihan natin itong malaki itong Christmas tree ng Alpine Club Sindihan natin. Bibilang ako ng hanggang uno pala. Countdown, di pababa. Umpisahan natin sa 9. 1, 2, 3, 9! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! 1! Maganda, hindi ba? Maganda. Dagdagan ng door natin pagka bumili tayo ng ganyang kalaki. President, leaders of the different organizations with their significant others, friends, and my fellow Forever Young. Today, we are celebrating the birth of an organization called the Forever Young Senior Society. The inception of this non-profit and community-oriented organization took place 9 years ago. And for years, Forever Young stood tall in all of its undertaking. You, the loyal members, attendees, and leaders of the community who gave their support and dedication, we value and treasure your commitment and loyalty. We have many objectives and goals for Forever Young, and as always, we will be dedicated and committed as ever, creating and delivering surprises instead of promises. Maingay kayo dyan, tumahimik kayo. Meanwhile, without the hard work and teamwork of the directors and officers of this organization. So I will call them one by one, and as I call your name, please join me here, starting with the Vice President and Director, Dali Olpido. We have another director, Lina Bonesa. And another director, Erlinda Nene Avila Jimena. Palakpak naman yan. And ang susunod po dyan ay si David Sana, saka si Juanita. David Garcia and Juanita Labot. Nasa Pilipinas po sila. Oh, kung nanonood kayo dyan, sigurado nanonood sila. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Makikita po nila yun sa YouTube. Kahit nasa Switzerland sila. Ang susunod po natin ang Direktor, Doktora Ardita Punsalan. And ang masipag, on time, Esther Biahe. And ang Secretary Treasurer po natin, wala. And then we go to the PRO, Cora Florano. Business Manager po natin, si Pompeya. Ang auditor po natin ay si Alice Manrique. Siyempre, si Francine. Francine! Nandito po ang ating F&B manager, yung sa pagkain po, sa lahat ng walang iba kundi si Eduarda Guillermo. And then we have our Assistant Secretary. Walang pa, di ba? Ha? Walang tayo. Siyempre, kailangan tawagin natin ito. Kundi pati tayo. My better half for 41 years, Connie Mercado! Ladies and gentlemen, they are the unsung heroes and moving spirit of this organization, as well as you, our loyal members and attendees. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat at palakpakan po natin sila. And I want to thank also two guys, Mr. Alex Watson and Mr. Dennis Falcon for their assistance and help during, after, before our setup. Tumutulong po sila sa amin. Nagkakarga pagpunta ko sa storage. Maraming salamat po. And I would like to acknowledge also some of our founding directors ng Forever Young. Nung magkakilala kami nito, mga 10 years ago, doon sa McDonald's. Isa po dyan, itong si Betty Arieta. Betty? Ayan, nakita niyo si Betty. Natatandaan niyo po si Betty? Yan mo yung parating nag-ENC. Yung Betty nakamalambing na po siya. Si Arieta, matagal hong chairman ng ethics committee ng Forever Young. He was a practicing lawyer sa Pilipinas. At nakikita po kayo, yung logo yun. Yung logo na yun. Si Caladin Cruz. Caladin! Hey! Thank you, Caladin.
Take it. Hey, no sir.